Time now is 5:12. As the valley's weather is heating up, that means more stress on your car and, of course, your at-home AC unit.
But you don't want to worry. Team 12's Matt Uris has the must-dos to make sure you stay on the road and stay cool.
The extreme summer heat can put a lot of stress on your car battery, so it's important to get it tested now.
And it just keeps you from being stranded over the summer, and who the heck wants to be stuck on the side of the road when it's 100 degrees?
Then there's the car's radiator. It is responsible for cooling the engine, so get it checked out. Another friendly reminder, don't cruise around on old tires.
The temperature on the roads is so high that these tires, if they're weak at all or they have any kind of a blemish or a problem, that's when you're going to notice that.
And of course, you're going to want to make sure the AC inside your car is working as well. Speaking of staying cool, let's now talk about the at-home AC unit.
Now's the time, turn on the AC, let it run for a couple hours, go out, listen to it, make sure it's not making a racket or anything.
Mike Donnelly of Donnelly AC and Plumbing says now's the time to make sure your AC is running well. Change the air filters and schedule maintenance.
Two of the most important things to do are check the refrigerant pressures and to make sure that they blow out and clear out the condensate drain.
Donnelly also says a legit AC maintenance call should cost around $100.